SAE compulsory mathematics model questions 2080 र त्यसपछि आउने अनवर्ड्स को लागि उपयोगी हुन्छ भनेर मैले सल्भ गर्न खोजिरहेको छु र यो चाहिँ इंग्लिश मिडियम र नेपाली मिडियम दुवै मिडियमका भाइ बहिनीलाई उपयुक्त हुन्छ भन्ने मैले आशा लिएको छु र नेपालीमा मात्रै क्वेशन चाहिँ सीडीसी ले करिकुलम डेभलपमेन्ट सेन्टरले पब्लिश गरेको छ र त्यसलाई मैले अंग्रेजीमा ट्रान्सलेट गरेको छु र पछि हामीले आउने अरु प्र्याक्टिस सेटहरुसँग केही तलमाथि वर्डिङहरुमा फरक पर्न सक्छ यसको इन्टेन्सन सेम हुन्छ तर अलिकति क्वेशनहरुको त्यसमा लेख्ने वर्डिङहरु चाहिँ कति फरक हुन सक्छ भन्ने मैले सोचेको छु र क्वेशन जम्मा हामीसँग 16 वटा आउने छ र सेट को लागि जम्मा 6 मार्क्स को आउने छ जस्तो 1 2 अनि 5 1 6 जम्मा 6 मार्क्स को आउने छ र हाम्रो यो इंग्लिश मिडियम र नेपाली मिडियम को लागि एउटै क्वेशन हुने छ र पहिला हामीले क्वेशनलाई अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड गरौं पहिला यहाँ नेपालीमा माथि छ यसलाई मैले जस्ट अंग्रेजीमा ट्रान्सलेट गरेको छु Now, in a survey conducted on students studying in class 10 of Sri Sarda Secondary School, which place they prefer, Pokhara, Lumbini, and Ilam, suitable to go to on an educational trip. 40 students says Pokhara, or they prefer Pokhara. 30 students said Lumbini, or they prefer Lumbini, and 45 students said Ilam, or they preferred to go to Ilam. 15 students of that class said that all three places are suitable, while 5 students did not express their opinion. Now, number A. If P, L, and I represent the number of students who prefer to go for Pokhara, P for Pokhara, L for Lumbini, and I for Ilam respectively, then write the group of students who prefer suitable all the place in cardinality notation. Now, question asks to present all the students, group of students who prefer suitable all the places in cardinality notation. Now, 2B, how many students are studying in class 10 in Sarda Secondary School? Calculate it. And number D, if 5 students and 45 Ilam and 15 like to go to any 3 place. Now, presenting an Venn diagram. Now, draw 3 circles. For one circle Pokhara, another circle Lumbini, and another circle for Ilam. Now they're common. They like to go to 3 places. Common is 15, and number of students prefer to go to Pokhara equal to 40. So 40 minus 15. Now 25. In the same way, 30 minus 15 again 15. And 45 minus 15 and 30. Okay, now it is our answer of B. It is answer of B, not A. Now number B. How many students are studying in class 10 in Sarda Secondary School? Calculate. Now total number of students are now 25. Okay, now total number of the students are 25 plus 15 plus 30 and plus 15, and also did not express their intention also. They did not express their intention, and total number of students equal to 25 plus 15 plus 30 plus 15. Now plus did not express their intention. They were 5 students. यदि सर्वेक्षण राय नै व्यक्त गरेका 5 जना व्यक्तिले हैन यहाँ कति हुन्छ 5 जना स्टुडेन्टले कुनै राय नै व्यक्त गरेनन्. They did not express any their idea. So 5 also. So 90 is the total number of the students. Total number of the students equal to 90 students. Again now question, if 5 students who did not express their opinion in the survey said that Lumbini is a suitable place, what would be the ratio of the students said only Pokhara was a suitable place and Lumbini was a suitable place? Now 5 students who did not express their opinion, opinion not express. Now finally they express their opinion. They like to visit or go to where? Lumbini. They Lumbini. What would be the ratio of the students who said only Pokhara was a suitable place and only Lumbini was a suitable place and Lumbini was a suitable place? Express 5 students, but before didn't express their opinion. Now, if 5 students prefer Lumbini is the suitable place, then this number should be added to the only preferred to the Lumbini. Now, Lumbini is 15 students like to visit to Lumbini only. Now, again 5 students also prefer to visit Lumbini. It means they like Lumbini only, not in common. They like to visit only Lumbini. So 15 plus 5. Therefore 5 students prefer Lumbini is the suitable place, then this number should be added to the only preferred to the Lumbini. Now only Lumbini equal to 15 plus 5, there are 20. 20 students prefer to visit only Lumbini. By the questions, the ratio of the Pokhara only suitable place and Lumbini only suitable place. It means and only Pokhara by only Lumbini, 25 by 20. Now after simplification we will get 5 by 4. Only Pokhara is 25 and after adding 5, 15 becomes 20. So 20 by 25. 25 by 20. Now it is 5 by 4 are our required answer. Now number 2. Now बिपिनले 2 वर्षको लागि 1 लाख कुनै एउटा बैंकमा जम्मा गर्न चाहेका छन्। बैंकले प्रति वर्ष 10% चक्री ब्याजको दर बिपिनले तीनवटा विकल्पहरू वार्षिक चक्री ब्याज अर्धवार्षिक like this. Bipin wants to deposit rupees 1 lakh for 2 years. Now bank gives 10% rate of interest rate and announce the 3 options. Now annual, semi-annual, quarterly interest rate. Now bank provides 3 types of rate of interest. One is annual, annual semi-annual and annual quarterly rate of interest. Now which of the above 3 options will earn Bipin more interest? Write it. How much compound interest can he get at the end of 2 years with semi-annual compound interest? Now 3. Bipin withdraws the total amount received at the end of 1 year is per half yearly compound interest and reinvested in quarterly for the rest of the period. Rest of the period means 2 years. How much amount will they get at the end of the 2 years? It means now 1. Which of the above 3 options will earn Bipin more interest? Now it is obviously Bipin will earn more interest if he deposit his money at the rate of quarterly interest. Quarterly interest provide more interest than any others. Now how much compound interest? It should be clear. Compound amount or interest? Compound interest. How much compound interest can he get at how much compound yes, compound interest he get at the end of 2 years. Now semi-annual. Now use the for semi-annual. Okay. Now number B. Now number B, our sum is 1 lakh. Now time is 2 years. Rate is 10%. Now half yearly compound interest. Half yearly compound interest. Here is semi-annual means half yearly. Same thing. Semi-annually or half yearly, same thing. Now, half yearly compound interest, if P 1 plus R by 100 power 2t minus 1 is our required answer. Like this. P 1 plus R by 100 power twice t minus 1. Now value of P is 1 lakh. Now put bracket here. 1 plus 10 by 200. Now 2 times 2 minus 1. Now after then 1 lakh. Now 10 divided by 100 like this. Now first 10 divided by 200 now equal to and plus 1, then it will be 1.05. Yes, 1.05 power 2 to the 4 minus 1. Now finally calculate after the 1.05 to the power 4. Now just type x to the power y. Where is x to the power y? X to the power y. Now how to find the value? 1.05. Now type x to the power y here. X to the power y and type 4 and press equal. Now 1.05 x to the power y and type 4 and press equal, and it will multiply 1.05 continuously 4 times. Now 1.05 times 1.05 times 1.05 times 1.05. Now product is 1.21550625. Now minus 1. Minus 1 after then multiply 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the value is 21,550.625. Yes, exactly 21,550.625 rupees. Now it is half yearly compound interest after 2 years. Okay. Now number C. Bipin withdraws the total amount received at the end of 1 year as per half yearly compound interest. Now first you should find the compound amount for 1 year as a half yearly compound interest. Okay, now for C, for first 1 year he finds half yearly compound amount. Now he gets. Now is for half yearly compound amount P 1 plus R by 200 power 2t. Now for compound amount need not to write minus 1 for compound interest. Now 1 lakh 1 plus 10 by 200 power 2. Now for first year time equal to 1, t equal to 1, so write here 1 and 1 lakh. Now 10 divided by 200 and plus 1, you will get 1.05 to the power 2. Now in the same thing, same like, okay, now 1.05 x to the power y, or you can just press x square also and multiply 1 lakh. 1 lakh, then the interest, the compound amount is 1,10,250. It is compound amount. It is compound amount. Now for second year principal will be 1,10,250. Now question says Bipin withdraws the total amount received at the end of the 1 year as for half yearly compound interest to withdraw all his money and reinvest it in quarterly for the rest of the period. Means now there is only 1 year left to complete the period. Now total time is 2 years, but he already invested for 1 year and 1 year time is left to complete the period. So next year is time is 1. Now for second year principal is 1,10,250. Now remaining time t equal to 1 and rate is again same 10. Now quarterly compound interest, but here question says how much amount, not interest, it will be amount. Okay, I hear mistake, not interest, amount. Quarterly compound amount P 1 plus R by 400. It will be 400 power 40. P 1 plus R by 400 power 40. Now 1,10,250, 1 plus R by 400 power 4 times 1. Now after calculating, you will get 1,21,695.37. Now calculation is like this. Now first type 10, now divided 400, now plus 1, now you will get 1.025. Now type x to the power y and 4, press equal and multiply 1,10,250. Then the answer is 1,21,695.37 is our right answer. Okay, now this completes our answer. Okay, now next question, number 3. Sergeant bought a car worth 30 lakhs and land worth 70 lakhs from his property 1 crore. 30 car for 30 lakhs and land for 70 lakhs from his property, which is 1 crore. Until last year, the price of car has been decreasing cyclically decreasing at the rate of 5% per annum, while the price of land has increased by certain percent. Now, price of car is decreasing, but price of land is increasing. Now, question asks, write the formula for cyclic depreciation. Now, write the formula for cyclic depreciation, which is P after time. Here, price after time t equal to P and bracket 1 minus R by 100 power t. Now, price after t years equal to initial price 1 minus R by 100 power t. Now, P sub t equal to P 1 minus R by 100 to the power t is the formula to find the cyclic depreciation. Find out the value of the car after 2 years. The question asks to find the value of car after 2 years. Now, value of car is 30 lakhs. Price of the car equal to 30 lakhs. Time equal to 2 years. Rate of depreciation 5%, which is already provided. Now, price after 2 years. P sub t equal to P 1 minus R by 100 to the power t. Now, time for 2 years. Now, price is 30 lakh. 1 minus R by 100 power t. Now, calculate the price like this, 1 by 100. So, first, now 5 divided 100. Now, you will get 1.05. So, 1 minus 0.05. Then you will get 0.95. Now, press x square and multiply 30 lakhs. 30, no, wrong. CE 30 lakhs. 0.95, press square and multiply 3 after 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 lakhs. What happened now? Not minus. What happened here? 0.95. Now 0.95 Now x square and multiply 3 1 2 3 4 5 no of 6 7 7. Now answer is 27 lakh 7,500. Okay. Now it is our price after 2 years. Now price of the car after 2 years is 27 lakhs 7,500. Now number C, the total value of car and land after 2 years becomes 1,5,72,700. What is the cyclical percentage of the price of the land has been increased? यहाँ के भयो उसको 1 करोड़ बाट आफ्टर 2 years उसको property कति भयो 1 crore 5 lakh 72,700 भयो. But the rate of car चाहिँ के हो हाम्रो डिक्रिज भयो. कारमा उसको डिक्रिज छ तर लेनमा उसको के छ somewhat increase छ. सो क्वेशनले सोधेको छ यसको increase percent के छ. What is the cyclic percentage of the price of the land has been increased? किनभने his car is decreasing but his length is increasing. Cost of land is increased by what percent? Now total value after 2 years, value of the car or price of the car or the price of the land. Now his property becomes after 2 years 1 crore 5,72,700, and after 2 years value of car becomes 27 lakh 7,500, but he bought for 30 lakhs. Now the price decrease and plus value of the land. Value of the land. Now value of the land equal to now value of the his property after 2 years minus value of the car. So 1 crore 5,72,700 minus 27 lakh 7,500. The result is 78 lakh 65,200. But initial price of the land was 70 lakh. उसको सुरुमा कति थियो इनिशियल उसको land चाहिँ 70 lakhs थियो. Now after 2 years now it becomes 78 lakh 65,200. So the price increase percent equal to increase amount. How much price increase by initial price or value multiply 100%. Multiply 100%. So increase amount. Increase amount means price after 2 years 78 lakh 65,200, but initial price was 70 lakh. Now initial value is 70 lakh, multiply 100%. So after subtracting you will get 8 lakh 65,200 by 70 lakhs multiply 100. Now the result is 12.36%. Therefore cyclic price increase of the land is 12.36%. Okay. Now next number 4. Probin went to bank to exchange US dollar to go about American currency. Exchange rates of that day. The buying rate of dollar is 131.05 and the selling rate is 131.65. Always selling rate is higher than buying rate. Now buying and selling rate can establish only central bank. Now it is central bank's rate. Central bank buys 131.05 rupees and central bank sells dollar 131.65 rupees. Okay. Now how many dollars does Probin get when he exchanges Nepalese rupees for rupees? 1,57,980. Now Praveen need US dollar and he has Nepali rupees 1,57,980. Now he want to exchange US dollar. Now to exchange US dollar, now he should buy from central bank, but central bank sells him. Central bank sells him. So he should use selling rate of central bank. So Praveen exchange dollar using selling rates. He gets dollar Nepali rupees by selling rate. It is because he will get dollar is compared to dollar. He will get dollar is compared to Nepalese rupees is less amount number मा उसको लेस हुन्छ उसको नेपाली रुपीस जति अमाउन्ट हुन्छ उसको जति नम्बर हुन्छ तर उसको यूएस डलर को अमाउन्ट त्यो भन्दा डिक्रिज भएर आउँछ अमाउन्ट चाहिँ डिक्रिज भएर आउँछ सो डिवाइड 1,57,980 divided by 131.65 and result is $1,200. $1,200 1,57,980 rupees le and Praveen can exchange $1,200. Again, how many Nepali rupees from the dollar he exchanged on the same day after Praveen could not go abroad due to family reason or any somewhat reason. Now to convert dollar into Nepalese rupees, now dollar by central bank, dollar by central bank. So we should use central bank's buying rate. We should use buying rate of central bank. You will get more Nepal rupees in comparing dollar. Dollar को तुलनामा त्यसको अमाउन्ट हुन्छ नि त्यसको नम्बर को अमाउन्ट चाहिँ नेपाली रुपीस को धेरै हुन्छ डलर को comparison ma. So use unitary method. You will get Nepali rupees US dollar multiply buying rate of the bank. Buying rate of the bank. Praveen sells and central bank buys it. So $1,200 times buying rates of bank is what? 131.05. Now Praveen will get 1,57,260 rupees less than his previous money, and he invested or he exchanged firstly 1,57,980. Immediately after exchanging his dollar into Nepali, he will get 1,57,260. Now question C. Confirm the profit or loss from his business. Now firstly Praveen exchanged Nepali rupees 1,57,980 to dollar and again exchange Nepali rupees and got rupees 1,57,260. So it is already clear that he invested 1,57,980, but after some times he got 1,57,260 rupees. His loss was 1,57,980 minus 1,57,260. So his loss is 720 rupees. Praveen lost rupees 720 rupees in the business. Now it is 1,57,900 not to 1,57,980 minus 1,57,260. So his loss is 720 rupees on the same day. Now so Praveen lost rupees 720 rupees on the business. Okay, now I solved number up to 4. Now be keep on watching. I will solve the next race questions also. You राम्रो लाग्यो बुझ्यो कुरा बुझ्यो भने कमेन्ट गर्ने हैन you can comment नेपाली or English both language पनि हुन्छ हैन अनि त्यसपछि अब यसमा हाम्रो ट्रान्सलेसनमा केही अलिकति हुन्छ यो जस्तो नेपालीमा दिएको छ अनि करिकुलम डेभलपमेन्ट सेन्टरले र यसलाई मैले नेपालीमा कन्भर्ट गर्दाखेरि अलिकति वर्डिङहरुमा चेन्ज हुन सक्छ तर त्यसको इन्टेन्सन चाहिँ के हुन्छ त एउटै हुन्छ हैन कतै यसको अब मैले चेन्ज गर्दाखेरि ल्याङ्ग्वेज टिचर जस्तो एक्ज्याक्टली नहुन सक्छ हैन म्याथमेटिक्समा यसको इन्टेन्सन आशय हैन यसको थीम चाहिँ त्यही हुन सक्छ तर ल्याङ्ग्वेजहरुमा तलमाथि हुन सक्छ यति ठीक छ र हामीलाई छ भने कमेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ लेट अस डिस्कस ओके कीप अन वाचिङ थ्यांक यू